Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. So this was supposed to be a fairly simple project, some new bumpers, clean up some rust spots on the paint. There's no rust through on this one. It's a 2005 Chevy 3/4 ton diesel, 6 Duramax with 324,000 miles on it. Picked it up cheap at an auction, so gonna do the make it good enough for a couple years thing. Anyhow, unfortunately, I took it for about a 400-mile test drive to go pick some stuff up. On the way back, a big chunk of venison ran out in the road. So, got a little bit more to do on this. Anyhow, we're going to be building new front bumper, because this one's really bent up. New headlights, new turn signals, new grille. Fortunately, the hood and the fenders didn't receive any damage, and so we're gonna get on with Project Deer Slayer. Alright guys, so the deer strike wasn't too bad. Hood and fenders are good. Headlights, which I was just going to show you how to polish headlights. Now we're going to replace headlights because these are both loose and there's broken parts on them. Turn signals, marker lights, bumper. The only other damage is the transmission cooler, which cracked, so it was spewing transmission fluid out all over the place. The only thing I've done so far is take a piece of tubing, the proper ID, and cut the old one out, put the tubing in here so the truck's drivable, not spewing transmission fluid all over the place. So let's start getting this thing pulled apart. This time of year, every time I open the garage door, it seems like I get a bunch of leaves blowing in. Well, there we go, guys. All stripped off, or at least the majority of it. There's a few other parts that have to come off and be repaired. But go ahead, now that I know what we need, get some parts ordered, and we'll get going. We'll get the front end put back together, and then we'll build a bumper. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. If you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of new videos. We'll catch you in the next one.